Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Analytics 4 for app events, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the following URL, analytics.google.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. If you already have a Google account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Google Analytics. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your Google account email address associated with your Google Analytics. Click on the Next button. Now, enter your password and click on Next again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, complete the verification process. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Analytics dashboard. To find your app events, navigate to the property you want to analyze. On the left sidebar, click on Reports. Then, select Engagement from the menu that appears. Under Engagement, click on Events. You will now see a list of app events tracked by Google Analytics 4. From here, you can analyze the performance and details of each event. If you need to filter or adjust the data, explore the available options at the top of the reports. This ensures you see the information most relevant to your analysis. Whenever you're ready, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. This step ensures your data remains secure. You have now successfully logged in and accessed your app events in Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.